Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your business setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today video, I'm gonna teach you on how to add and configure your DIDs and caller ID for your dialer. Okay, so for example, you have 300 DIDs and you need to upload them in your dialer. So I will show you how to do that, and it's very easy. Okay, so first you need to go to your BC dial page, and then you need to go to your administration. Okay, so after that, and then you can, for example, we will create a new campaign. For example, we can make this one as a roofing. Okay. Okay. So we have roofing campaign. So it's dialing 9 a.m. to 9. So next go to Long Street. Okay, so this is the example campaign for now. So we can set them to ratio. Okay, so for getting the inbound, so we need to set inbound branded test. Okay, hit submit. So as you can see here, we don't have yet any settings for the color IDs. Okay, and then so you need to go to your admin CID group, and then we can add new CID group for this one. For example, for roofing, I can say area code and copy. So be sure this one was set to area. Okay. And then add again. So you will say grouping state, and then change this one to state. Okay. So after that, to upload them back, so you need to go to the report, and then scroll down, admin utilities, scroll down, look for the admin bulk tool. Okay, under the admin bulk tools, you have here the root and AC DID bulk add. So you can grab your all DIDs. Okay, see. So for example, this is all my DID. So you need to select the state lookup and then select the campaign or CID group. Look for the CID group. So first, you need to go for the roofing area code. Okay. Don't forget to set this one to yes. Then submit. So for example, this is all my DIDs and then submit. Okay. As you can see, been loaded all. Okay. So we're going double check here. As you can see, plenty. Okay. Okay. This is the unique DID. No, no, no. It's not. Wait. Oh, sorry. I think I did a mistake. Let me go back. I think I mistake to put on. Let me check. Yeah, I inputted incorrectly. So this one it should be here. The CID group that we created, open state CID. Okay, so after that, uh, then click submit. Okay, and then okay, let me go back again. Okay, so this one it will be on grouping, area code, uh, the ID group. Okay, and then so be sure your method is on state lookup and then grouping area code because this one state lookup it will only upload how if what if the 300 so it will only upload those 300 so they will not generate from other area code under that state. Okay, and submit. Okay, and submit. Okay, so if I go back on CID area code, as you can see, I uploaded 500 DIDs already for caller ID. Okay, if all the call will be matched under 281 area code, it will use all of this each call. Okay, and then we will upload the another. Going back here, admin bulk tools. So from the method now, because we will use the state, we will change this one to state field and then look for the CID group that we created under state and then yes, and then paste again all the ID numbers, submit. Okay, as you can see, this is all, submit. So sometimes it takes long, depends on your server or if or how many the IDs generated for the each CID groups. So need to wait. Sometimes takes 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. So you can take over here CID group. Okay, so okay, not yet done. Okay, now we will prepare the okay. As you can see, it's loaded already. If I refresh my CID group, as you can see, from 500, the system was generated 14,500 ID so that it will cover whole the state that you don't have much the ID. So it will use any of those. Okay. And then we can now proceed first to configuring our inbound groups for our new campaign grouping. So yung inbound groups, so roofing underscore inbound. So this will be my inbound. Okay. You can assign a color. Okay. Longest wait time possible. And then at the below, you need to select your agents, which agent will be handling or answering the inbound. Okay. Be sure it's been selected. Okay. Okay, after that, as you can see, it's not yet set on the campaign, so we will configure that later. You can add the ID and then paste the DID here. Then you can put a name, set grouping DIDs, submit the ID route. So in group, IP, if you can select your server IP, in group, grouping, and call handling, you can change this one to CID lookup PRRC. So it will look on the campaign under the campaign only. And then submit. And now you have already one DIDs added, and go back now to the reports, admin utilities again, admin bot tools, and copy all the DID again, DID you created for roping. Okay, and then paste all the DIDs remaining, and then submit, and then confirm, and then all the 500 DIDs have been added. Okay, it's so simple, right? Okay, next, go to the campaign. Go to the campaign, go back here, the roping campaign. Let's assign our CID group. So from under the CID group, you can remove this one, custom color ID. Yes, CID group. So you can select the area code first. And then if there is no match area code, it will go to the failover group, our state. Okay. And then scroll down and select your inbound inbound for the cards. Okay. So that's all. So as you can see, we have successfully configured all those 500 numbers at in very short. Beginning, don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. This is HBD tutorial and have a nice day. Bye bye.